Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to ice up a pair of Jordan 9s. Yes, it is possible, so you're not going to want to miss this video. Check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
I know you guys have been wondering, for a pair of Jordan 9s, can you get it back to white? Because a lot of times those yellow too, does the icing method work on Jordan 9s? And the answer is yes, it does work. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. I have two pairs of Baron 9s. I'm actually using these for coaching, me and my assistant coach. You already know I restore kicks, so I might as well restore them, wear them for a game or two, and then resell them back. So I decided, why not turn it into a video? So I already iced his pair of shoes up. Now, I didn't record it, but I do have pictures of before and then the now. So this is what they look like now. Big difference from before, especially if you look at the toe. It's a way big difference. I'll show you a before and after picture right here. Big difference. And the crazy thing is, this only took an hour and a half to ice. This is only one session, hour and a half. So I might do it one more time to see if you can get even whiter, but that's crazy for only an hour and a half. I was very surprised. On the pair I'm going to be doing today, my pair, you can see right here, they're not too bad, but they definitely have like that brownish, yellowish tint to them. I'm going to restore these. See, again, if it only takes maybe an hour and a half to get these back to white. I'm doing everything the same that I did before when I'm icing other shoes, so there's no difference besides just putting the sole sauce on and then putting it in the ice box. But I do think it doesn't take as long sessions, so I would check it after only like an hour and a half, 2 hours, and see, because you might not want to go too long on these. I haven't had any issues yet, but you don't really need to go more than an hour and a half for them to do this. And if you want to do more sessions, just do 2 or 3 sessions and reapply. But yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. Now, right before we get into restoring the shoes, I do want to say we're almost at 2,000 subs, and I want to thank you guys. I am going to be starting to post more videos again. I'm going to start restoring these shoes and showing you the best techniques on how to restore them. Also, if you don't want to wait for a new video, I do have a new blog post that you can check out. I'm going to be talking about that more at the end, so don't miss that at the end of this video. Alright guys, so my voice kind of went out, which is why I haven't finished this video. Obviously you don't know that because if you just fast forward through it, but that's why it took me so long to upload this video. Anyway, I iced the shoes. It only took one session. Look at these things. Big difference from before. We got them back to white. They look pretty crispy to me. I'm also going to take a picture of it right here. You can see the difference, the before and after. Big difference. Guys, ice up your 9s. Real easy to do. Doesn't take long. Took me about an hour and a half, 2 hour session, and I got it back to white. Now, if you're interested in using the same UV light that I use, all you gotta do is go to the link in the description. These have been selling like crazy, and everyone's been giving them positive reviews because this is the best UV light that I have found that works for your shoes. So make sure you go to the link in the description and you'll be able to find that same UV light that I use and everyone else that I've been putting on use to ice up their shoes. Lastly, I told you to stay to the end because I want to talk about something new that I have. I have a new blog that I am putting posts up right now. So maybe you don't want to watch a full video and you're interested on learning more things about cleaning your shoes and you have different questions. I have a bunch of blog posts up and I'm constantly putting new content on. Also, if you have any questions or things you want to be written up about, let me know in the comments and I will make a blog post about it, answering all of your questions. All you gotta do is go to sneakerallstars.com. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm also gonna put the link in the description. I have a bunch of posts up already, constantly putting a new post out every week, answering your questions. If you have more questions, like I said, put it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer it. This way, if you don't want to watch a full video and you just want a quick rundown of how to fix up your shoes, whether it's icing, cleaning them up, or what shoes to go with for size and stuff like that, check out the blog. I've been working on it and hopefully you guys like it. And with that being said, that's all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions or video suggestions, put it down in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. Man, my voice is going out, but it doesn't matter because if you want to be icy, it starts in the soul. I'm gonna see you next time.